Hey everybody, welcome back to another video. And I know you would have just seen me in this same outfit, same earrings, same makeup look, but to be honest, I was just too lazy to change. So yes, it is the same day. Yes, I'm filming videos back to back. So yeah. Alright, so today, I don't know if you would have seen my wish video, my wish haul video. If you haven't, I will leave a card up above. But in that video, I purchased a bunch of items from Wish, and one of them was these LED eyelashes right here. I don't know if you can notice, but I don't have on, I have on mascara, but I don't have on eyelashes. So I figured, why not pop these bad boys on and see what they look like. Now, I think I purchased this for either $1 or $2, something really small like that. And I don't know where you'll possibly wear them, maybe like for a rave party or New Year's Eve party or one of those glow parties, something. But I don't think this will be an everyday look, to say the least. So as I said, it looks like this, and it has made in China. Just gonna open the box and see what comes inside. Alright, so I am looking on the box, I'm looking inside the box, and I am not seeing any instructions. Like, how can you make something like this and not put any instructions in it? Like, who does that? Who does that? Okay, so this is what comes inside. It is a hair clip. I don't know, last day I saw one of these, to be honest. It brings me back right to childhood. And then these wires, which are looking kind of scary. And they have these are supposed to be the strips, right? But like, honestly, it just looks like, I don't even know, it looks like nothing. So I'm just removing the little plastic and opening it up. Looks like this. Alright, so you're zoomed in. Let's see now if I can attach these. Let's see. Ugh. I think I need a, I wonder if I need a closer mirror. I'm trying to get you to, like, in shot. Ugh. This is so weird, y'all. So weird. I know it look hella weird, right? Anyway, so this little bit, one goes into here. Let's see, is this the right one? One goes into here, and then I think the other one, whoops. Y'all, my lashes are just falling off. And I don't know why this has me like annoyed. Because as I said, it's not like if it's something that I will go out and wear. Other one goes into here, and then I think they give you the, I don't know, I mean, I can't conceal this in my hair. So I am literally in a closet because this is the darkest place that I can find. No, not trapped in the closet. If you're too young to know that reference, then I don't know. Anyway, let's go ahead and close these doors so that you can see darkness. Alright, so let me just click the switch and see what we're working with. Whoa. Wow. And I did a different setting, so let me go ahead and click. Wow. Wow. I don't know why I keep saying wow, like, for $1, I can say I can have so much fun with this. Would I ever wear this out? Hell no. But it's hella fun. Like, look. Look. I wonder how long this battery lasts. But this is so much fun. This reminds me like something like Star Wars or something like that. Alright, so we are back and I figure why not end this with these eyelashes just flashing. So yeah, for $1, $2, this is really actually kind of fun. I mean, it was really hard to put on. I would never wear it out, but it is so much fun. I could probably have a good, I don't know, however long playing with these, but it was fun, very interesting. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. I know you probably can't even take me seriously with these, but I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have, please don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up, and if you want to see other little quirky kinds of videos where I test out weird products, then be sure to leave a comment and let me know. So as I said, if you have not already, give this video a massive thumbs up, and if you are not subscribed to my channel, then go ahead and click that red subscribe button right there and subscribe to my channel. So until next time, bye bye.